Deepika Padukone claps back at director and producer who said her 8-hour-a-day work shift demand is unnecessary.
What I'm definitely advocating for is just a better work-life balance and a better working environment and better working conditions. And if that doesn't work for somebody, we're not obligated to work with each other.
Yes, Deepika left to big budget movies Kalki 2898 and The Spirit because some of her demands were not fulfilled by the directors and producers. Reportedly, Deepika's demands included an 8-hour-a-day work shift, 20 crore fees, a profit share in a movie, plus fair pay to all her 25 staff members with 5-star accommodation, good food and luxury travel. Well, these demands made a huge headline in the movie industry, so much so that people went crazy over the comments section. While many supported Deepika, saying she is a new mom and she deserves fixed working hours, many said her demands are illogical and she is not that big of a star to have such high demands. But according to Deepika, it's been forever. The male actors in the film industry have been treated with 8 hours a day and just 5 days a week. But when it comes to female actors, people tag it illogical, which does not make any sense at all.
The Indian film industry, there are a lot of actors, male actors, who've been working on an 8-hour shift for years and it's never made headlines.
After this interview, the issue became so huge that many stars commented on the matter.
I've also done it where I have worked certain hours, and if the producer's okay with it, you go ahead with the film. If the producer's not okay with it, you don't do the film. So it's also a choice, nobody is forcing anything on anybody.
I love the fact that if you can work less.
Most of the honest filmmakers, I would say, will not have a problem with this. And apart from just being a mother and working for 8 hours, usually people have started working for 8 to 9 hours in a shift. So I think it's person to person and most of the industry does understand all this.
While celebs have given their verdict, people in the comments section are going crazy. While many supported Deepika, saying an 8-hour shift per day is logical and she has a right to ask for it, many also say she should not compare herself to a male actor as they bring in the audience that she can't. But what are your thoughts on this one? Do you support Deepika or do you think her demands are baseless and illogical?
I don't think what I'm asking for is ridiculously unfair, and I think only someone who's worked in the system enough will know that the conditions that we work in, and I'm saying this as, if I may say so myself, a top star. So you can only imagine what the working condition must be like for everyone else, for the crew, for example. The Indian film industry, there are a lot of actors, male actors, who've been working on an 8-hour shift for years and it's never made headlines. What I'm definitely advocating for is just a better work-life balance and a better working environment and better working conditions. And if that doesn't work for somebody, we're not obligated to work with each other.